As the days grow shorter and cooler, succulents enter a period of adjustment. To ensure their health and vitality during this transitional season, we must adapt our care routine. By following these simple steps and remaining attentive to the unique requirements of each succulent variety, we can continue to enjoy the beauty of these resilient plants throughout the autumn season and beyond. In this guide, we will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your succulents thrive during this transitional season. Let's get started. With the changing weather, it's crucial to adapt your succulent care routine. Reduce watering. As the days grow shorter and cooler, succulents require less water. Begin to reduce the frequency of watering and allow the soil to dry out more between each watering. Prevent overwatering. Autumn can be a risky time for overwatering, so be cautious. Always check the soil moisture before watering to avoid root rot. Take some time to give your succulents a thorough inspection. Check for stress signs. Look for sunburned or withered leaves, especially if your succulents were exposed to intense summer heat. Trim and remove damaged leaves to promote healthy growth. Pruning and propagation. Consider pruning leggy or overgrown stems, and you can use these cuttings to propagate new plants. Remember to let the cuttings callus before planting. If you live in an area with frost or freezing temperatures, it's time to prepare for winter. Transition indoors. Bring potted succulents indoors to protect them from cold damage. Place them near a sunny window or provide artificial grow lights for sufficient light. Plan for winter care. Start thinking about your succulents care during the winter months. Ensure they have properly lighting and are in good health before the colder season sets in. Here are a few additional tips to keep your succulent thriving in autumn. Fertilize sparingly. With reduced growth rates, cut back on fertilization. If you continue to fertilize, use a diluted valance fertilizer sparingly. Inspect for pests. Keep an eye out of pests. Even though they may be less active in autumn, address any infestation promptly. Repot if needed. Consider repotting if your succulents have outgrown their pots or if the soil has become compacted. Use fresh, well-draining soil. Protect from rain. In regions with frequent autumn rainfall, shelter your outdoor succulents from excess moisture to prevent root rot. With these autumn care tips, you can ensure that your succulents remain healthy and vibrant during this transitional season. Remember, succulents may have varying care needs, so always pay attention to the unique requirements of your plants. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!